Hello student. Today we will start learning Microsoft Word. Click on Start, Programs and select Microsoft Word. You will see templates as well as recent open file and one blank document option. These are some templates available which you can use for ready-made purpose. If you don't know how to format it, how to personalize it, you can select any one. Say for example you want to create report. If you will select report template, this particular template is get downloaded from Microsoft site, and then you will get one cover page. First cover page on the top, you can add logo, you can add your company name, your name, then title heading, subtitle heading. You can override this data with your required data, and you can save this file by your name. In this way you can use templates which are ready-made available with MS Word. If you want to create new file which is blank file, I don't want to save this template, so I will click on don't save. Now I'll go to file, new. I will select blank document. In blank document, in MS Office 2013 onward, you can see this type of tabs are available, and this particular area is known as ribbon area. In ribbon area there are different groups available, and the commands included in the groups are in icon format, that is pictures available as well as name available. If you want to apply additional command, you have to go to this down button. You can see one box will appear with that particular function name, say font, in which you have advanced. This advanced will going to give you some more feature which may required in your day-to-day work, but which are right now not available in this particular ribbon. So first group is clipboard, which will help you to cut, copy, paste data, format painter to apply same formatting effect to other lines. This is font, that means handwriting, which when you want to change your handwriting, you can change font from this particular area. You can see previews are available with the name itself. From A to Z list include multiple font. You can select any one from font from your choice. Font size minimum is 8 and maximum is 72, but you can type any font size and you can get that font size. If you don't want to use this drop down window, drop down box, you can use increase font and decrease font. This is change case button, in which first is sentence case, in which only first capital letter is S and other letters are in small. Lower case include all letters in small. Upper case include all letters in caps, capital. Capitalize each word means title case, in which whenever you will add any space, the next letter will be get capital. And opposite to that is toggle case. First letter will be small and other letters will be in uppercase. This particular button is known as clear all formatting. If you apply any color, font, size and different things, now you want to remove everything, you can use this button. So in short, this particular group is related with text decoration. This particular group is related with position, numbering. This particular group is ready-made gallery, in which you are not supposed to think about which color, which font size is suitable for heading. You can just apply this heading one and you will get ready-made this type of font as your heading font. You can search for any text, you can replace that text, and you can select multiple areas of your document. So this is your home tab. Same way you have multiple groups in different tabs. This is insert tab. Insert is to add anything, so new things which you want to add in this particular area is in insert. Design will going to give you ready-made design, layout or templates. Layout include margin setting, paper size setting, printing related settings in this area. Reference will give you some caption writing, table of content writing. Mailing is very important for mail merge. When you want to send same letter to multiple people, we use this function. Review is to check spelling and grammar. if you are sharing this file with other people, you can track their changes, you can accept the changes, you can restrict editing of other users. View will going to give you zoom option, multiple windows display, read mode, print layout mode, web layout mode. So there are many features available, and if you get stuck up with something, you have help. So now I will start working with file menu. First is info. Info will help you to understand that your packages license. If you want to give access to the same file to multiple people, you can go to manage. You can set password in protect document for your file. New will going to provide you blank document as well as template. Open is to open that particular file which is already saved. For example, make your own gift tag is my file. If I will open this file, I can see my data is there, so no need to again type something. If I want to save new file, I use save command, or if I want to save changes, in that case also we can use this command. So save will going to update your file work, but save as will going to create duplicate of your file. So if I will rename this particular file with another name, and if I will click on save, I will get two files with same content but different file name. Print is to get hard copy of your document. If I want to print my file, this is my actual page or hard copy page preview, which I can see there are total 24 pages, from which if I want to print page number 1, I have to type just page number 1. If my printer is connected and it is online, then I can click on print. I will get hard copy of page number 1. If you want to share this particular file, you can share by OneDrive or by PDF. If you want to create PDF, sometimes people are very confused about how to create PDF. Word will provide you this ready-made option that it will automatically lock your file data by making it readable, or you can go to export and you can create PDF. So there are two options available. Close is to close the file, but Word will remain open, file will get closed. Accounts will going to give you property and authority of your this particular file, as well as you can see that service is available, and feedback. Feedback will going to allow you to express your feelings about Word, and these are some additional features which you can change, which you can set as per your requirement. Sometimes it may happen that you find some changes and which are suddenly disturbing your work. Then you can go to this setting option and you can check. For example, if you want to set your page margin in inches, you can go to show measurement unit and select inches and click on OK. Now if I will go to layout, I can see the sizes are available in inches. So in this way you can use MS Word screen to get personalized polished data. Now I want to type something. Now this particular line is actually getting started not from 1. This is from 1 point next to 1, that is 0. This is margin area and this is typing area. White ruler indicate typing area, gray ruler indicate margin area. If you will see, this particular margin area is also available on the top as well as in bottom. So if I want to type something, I can start this typing only after this predefined margin area. If I will move my pointer in this area, I can see this particular arrow direction is towards right. But if I will move my pointer in this area, I can see I-beam pointer. Same way, if I want to change this particular view, I have view option in this area also. This is my zoom button, which will help me to reduce as well as increase my zoom just for readability for my pattern. This is my page 1, how many words I type, that is get counted by MS Word. And now if I want to save the file, click on file, click on save. I have one folder on desktop, so I will go to this PC, or I will go to browse option, In browse option, I have to select desktop, and in which I have SCS folder. My Word file will have name Word, and if I will click on save, this particular name is replaced with Word. Earlier it was document1. Now if I want to close this file, second option to close is click on cross mark. Did you find this video helpful? Then like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.